Alright, we're going for coat number 4 right now. It's our, I'm using this Duplicolor here, Cardinal red, for original Ford colors, paint OEM. So I'm gonna try something different here. I'm gonna come out here, man. Try to be a little bit farther away. Yeah, I could tell where I was a little heavy-handed on this stuff right here a little bit. But hey, like I said, you work and you learn. Yep. The secret to work, learn, do it, learn again, and apply it. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Secrets to finishing a hard job. I've done the prep I can do. Now I just there we go. Doing quick back and forth motions. Yeah, saw it better right there. Anyway, with the light conditions being that they are. But making no excuses. Just the way it is. Alright, I'm coming to the end of this can right here, I think. So, question is, do I go underneath? Yeah, let's go underneath. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. One day I'll probably sell this truck and I'll be like, hey, look what I did. Guy will say, yeah, I can see you did some work. Hey, it's 24 years old. It's an Ablecraft vehicle. Oh, man. Cracking myself up. So, this is the longest video is here. I'm at 4 minutes. I'm going to give it a couple minutes to dry. This stuff, this is a lacquer-based paint. I read on the can. I know this Cardinal's probably driving y'all crazy. So it dried quick. They say 10 minutes. Hit it again. I touched it and it was drying about 5. So let me show you what we got here. Being that this is where we're at with this video. Okay. See if you can, hopefully you can see here. you don't come back again. This is the final coat. Okay? Final. Yep. Like I said, I do have another can of this Duplicolor. I got eye protection. Whoops. And I got myself some a mask on. Not the mask y'all thinking here. I'm talking about a normal good mask. So anyway, guys, that's what you have here. This is gonna be the final video, video 4. 4 coats. I'm gonna do a little bit of a light mist, but that's pretty much it right there, guys, for this driver's side rocker panel repair. You guys can do it. This video is dedicated to you do-it-selfers out there. You guys can do this thing. So if I can, you can. Go on out there and get her done. All right, now, y'all have a good Ablecraft day. Till next time.